Do you find yourself angry at rich people, making justifications for socialism, saying things that make economic professors cringe? These are all symptoms of feeling the burn. Countless Americans have been infected. Try my anti-burn ointment. You'll be speaking sense in no time. Just look at these results. The US needs a higher corporate tax rate. Huh. What's this? The US already has the highest corporate tax in the world. Really? College should be free. There's no such thing as free college. It just means that taxpayers will be forced to pay the bill. $70 billion every year. It's capitalism's fault. Stop calling the current system capitalism. It's not capitalism. Capitalists are against corporate welfare. This is corporatism. I'm mad at corporatism. That's the enemy. Raise the minimum wage to $15 an hour. Oh wait, as a result, a lot of unskilled workers would be priced out of the job market because when you increase the minimum wage, not everyone keeps their job and gets a raise. It just forces bosses to choose. Give this person a raise or fire them. The 1% needs to pay their fair share. The top 1% pays more in federal income taxes than the bottom 90%. The top 1% pays 35% of taxes. Free healthcare is a right. It's not free again, and the word right. You have a right to free speech, religion, privacy, but you do not have a right to services provided by other people because you cannot force somebody to give something to you. Socialism is working in Sweden. Sweden has actually moved away from socialist policies, especially over the past decade. They've gotten rid of the wealth tax and they've cut corporate taxes and income taxes. Because of that, their economy is doing much stronger than it was in the 1970s when they had extremely high tax rates. That's why IKEA left. We need more regulation on big corporations. Big corporations actually lobby for more government regulation. You'd actually be helping them. They do this because they can afford the cost of the regulation, whereas their smaller competitors cannot. So the plan is to wipe them out. Climate change is directly related to terrorism. That is the stupidest thing that I have ever heard. Don't make a fool out of yourself. There's a cure. Anti-burn ointments.